You are exhausted. You have just finished a beautiful 2-week vacation in Europe or Mexico. Now you are at the airport, ready to fly home to the United States. Your guard is down because, well, you think the vacation is over. But actually, this is the most dangerous moment of your entire trip. There's this new wave of airport traps that target tired American travelers. And the scary part is, the people doing it often look just like airport employees. They wear uniforms, they have badges, and they smile while they rip you off. Today I am exposing the 5 exact scams waiting for you at the departure gate. And, yeah, exactly how to stop them. The first trap happens the second your taxi pulls up to the curb. You pop the trunk to get your bags. Suddenly, a man in a vest grabs your suitcase. He looks official. He says, "I help you to check in." You think he is a porter provided by the airport. He is not. He will walk you 50 feet to the door, refuse to let go of your bag, and then demand a $20 or $50 service fee. If you refuse to pay, he might cause a scene or refuse to give the bag back, making you panic about missing your flight. Here is the fix. Be rude if you have to. The moment someone touches your bag, you say firmly, "No. Do not touch." Keep your hand on your luggage handle at all times until you hand it to the airline agent behind the desk. Now, you are inside the terminal. It is chaotic. The security line looks like it is 2 hours long. You are nervous. Will I make it to the gate? Suddenly, a staff member with a clipboard approaches you. He looks concerned. He checks your ticket and says, "Oh no, the lines are very slow today. You might miss your flight. But I can sell you a priority lane sticker for $50. He even has a QR code on his phone for you to pay. You pay the money, he puts a sticker on your boarding pass, and points you to the front. But when you get there, the real TSA agent laughs at you. There is no sticker system. You have been scammed, you are out $50, and you are sent to the back of the line. The rule priority access is only sold at the official airline check-in counter. Never buy it from a guy standing in the hallway. This next one is nasty because it uses the police against you. You have some foreign cash left over, maybe 100 euros or pesos. You see a currency exchange booth before security. They tell you, "Sorry, we are out of US dollars. Go to the booth inside the gate, past security." So, you put the cash in your pocket and walk toward the metal detectors. This is the trap. In some corrupt airports, the exchange guy signals the security guy. When you go through the scanner, the officer pulls you aside. He finds the cash and tells you, "It is illegal to export this much local currency." He confiscates it on the spot. It's theft, plain and simple, but he has a badge, so you can't argue. The fix: spend your coins before you leave, or load the cash onto a Starbucks or McDonald's gift card app. Those work globally. Now let's talk about the check-in desk. You weighed your bag at the hotel. You know it is 48 pounds. But when you put it on the airport scale, the digital screen blinks 53 pounds. The agent shakes her head. Overweight fee. That will be $100. You are confused. Did your scale break? No. Their scale is rigged. Sometimes they don't zero it out from the previous heavy bag. Sometimes they literally have their foot touching the side of the scale. They target Americans because they know we will just pay the card fee to avoid the hassle. The fix: always travel with a $10 portable digital scale. If their number is wrong, you weigh it right in front of them. Usually, the moment they see you have your own scale, their machine magically fixes itself. Finally, the most stressful part: the body scanner. In many international airports, the line structure is confusing. Sometimes men and women are separated. You put your tray with your wallet and passport on the belt. But then you are held behind a glass wall waiting for your turn to be scanned. You are separated from your valuables for 2 or 3 minutes. This is when the thieves strike. They work in teams. One distracts the guard, and the other swipes your wallet from the bin before it enters the tunnel. By the time you get through, your tray is empty. The fix: never put your wallet or passport loose in the bin. Put them inside your carry-on bag and zipper it shut. Make them steal the whole bag, which is hard, rather than just palming your wallet, which is easy. Traveling the world is a beautiful privilege, but the world has changed, and the friendly skies aren't always so friendly anymore. You don't need to be paranoid, but you do need to be prepared. If you want to know the digital scams that are happening on your phone while you wait at the gate, make sure you subscribe, because that is coming up next. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. You are sitting in seat 12B on a long flight to Europe. The person right next to you in 12A is eating the exact same pretzels and watching the same movie. But there is a massive invisible difference between the two of you. They paid $450 for their ticket. You paid $1,250 for yours. Why? Did you book late? No. It's because the airline's new AI system was secretly watching you buy that ticket. It knew you were desperate, and it charged you what experts call a surveillance tax. This isn't a conspiracy theory. Welcome to the new world of dynamic surveillance pricing. For decades, ticket prices were based on simple supply and demand. If the plane was mostly full, the price went up for everyone equally. Those days are officially over. In 2026, the price you see on your screen is personal to you alone. The airline is no longer just looking at empty seats. They are looking at your digital footprint to guess how much money you have. Here is exactly what the algorithm is tracking to decide your specific price. First, they look at your hardware. Are you booking on a brand new, expensive MacBook Pro? The AI often assumes Apple users have more disposable income to burn. So, it may show you a higher starting fare than someone searching on an older, cheaper PC laptop. Next, they track your immediate behavior. Have you checked the exact same flight to London 5 times since this morning? That is what the industry calls a desperation signal. The computer knows you want that specific flight badly, and you are getting anxious. So, when you come back the 6th time to finally book it, don't be surprised if the fare suddenly jumps by $200. The seat didn't just get taken, the algorithm just called your bluff because it knew you would pay it. But the psychological games don't stop at the price tag. Have you ever seen that bright red warning text that says, "Only 2 seats left at this price"? It makes your heart race, and you grab your credit card faster. But here is the dirty secret the airlines don't want you to know. Often that scarcity is completely artificial. It is called phantom inventory. The flight might actually have 50 empty seats wide open, but the AI shows you a fake low stock warning just to trigger your panic response. They are manipulating your fear of missing out to force a sale right now, and once you buy that last seat, magically, 3 more appear for the next person. The next layer of the trap is where you are sitting right now. The algorithm is obsessed with your IP address, your digital location. If you are booking from a wealthy zip code in New York or San Francisco, the AI assumes you are less sensitive to price. It creates a wealth tax simply because of where your computer is located. I ran a test recently searching for the exact same flight. When I searched from a laptop in Zurich, which is, one of the most expensive cities in the world, the price was $900. But when I used a VPN to make it look like I was in a developing country, the price for the same seat dropped to $600. Nothing changed about the flight. The only thing that changed was who they thought I was. Even if you beat them on the ticket price, the AI has a backup plan to get your money. It's called dynamic ancillary pricing. This is the price for your checked bag or your seat selection. You might assume a bag fee is a standard $50 for everyone. Think again. If the airline's profile on you shows that you always check a bag, or if they know you are traveling as a family that needs to sit together, the system can subtly raise the price of those specific add-ons just for you. They know you are captive once you buy the ticket, so they lower the ticket price to hook you, and then let the AI gouge you on the bags. Now, I know what many of you are shouting at the screen right now. Just use incognito mode. That stops them. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that is outdated advice in 2026. Incognito mode stops your browser from saving history on your own computer. It does not stop the airline from identifying your machine. Modern AI uses something called digital fingerprinting. They look at your screen resolution, your battery level, and your specific browser plugins. They combine these data points to recognize you even when you think you are hidden. It's like wearing sunglasses inside. The camera still knows who you are. So, if incognito is failing, how do you beat a supercomputer designed to overcharge you? You have to actually change your digital identity. The most effective tool right now is a reputable VPN. A VPN changes your digital location entirely. If you are sitting in expensive New York City, make the computer think you are booking from a rural town or a cheaper country. Sometimes, just appearing to be in a different region drops the price significantly. The second best trick is the device swap. Do all your obsessive searching on your phone or iPad. But when you are ready to finally buy, switch to a desktop computer you haven't used yet. This breaks the chain of desperation signals and makes you look like a new customer. The bottom line is this. The airline industry is using cutting-edge AI to squeeze every last dime out of loyal travelers. Do not let them use your own data against you. Never book on your very first search and always compare devices. Now, I want to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever seen a price jump up the second you went to book it? Let me know your horror story down below. Stay smart and safe travels.